Hi everyone. Today we are going to cover four important topics and primary versus secondary data is among them. Now let us understand what is primary data. Primary data is the data that is directly collected by the researcher for a specific purpose. The data you collect yourself is also called primary data. For example, you ask 50 students, how many hours do you study? And the data you get from them is called primary data. On the other hand, secondary data refers to data that has been collected by someone else for a different purpose, but it is used by the researcher. For example, you use data from government reports, research articles, books, or journals. Now, let us understand what is variable. A variable is anything that can change or take different values. It is something that is not constant. For example, age, income, number of students, height, all of these can vary from one person to another. Variables are mainly divided into two types. Qualitative variable, it describe qualities or categories, not numbers. You cannot measure or count mathematically, you just classify. For example, gender. Gender has male or female. Color. Color can be red, blue, or green. These are labels, not numerical values. Quantitative variable. These are variables that are expressed in numbers and can be measured or counted. It has two types: discrete variables and continuous variables. First, discrete variables are values that can be counted. They take separate and whole numbers. Example, number of students, number of books, you can count them, but you cannot measure them. These values are not expressed in decimals or fractions. Now, let us understand continuous variable. Continuous variables are values that can be measured. They can take any value within a range, including decimals. For example, height, weight, time. These values are obtained through measurement.